Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. I'm called Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can open an account in Interactive Broker. Step 1. Go to the Interactive Broker website or download the Interactive Broker app in your phone. Step 2. Click on Open Account and select the account type that fits your needs or the type of account you wish to open. Step 3. Fill in your personal information like name, address, and contact details. Step 4. Provide your tax identification document and fill the financial details as requested. Step 5. Verify your identity by uploading your government-issued ID card and proof of address. Step 6. Review and agree the terms and conditions. Step 7. Submit your application and wait for approval, which usually takes between 1 to 2 business days. Step 8. Once approved, you'll receive login details to access your account and start funding it. Quick tip: have your ID and bank information ready before you start the setup process. That's it. You found this guide helpful? Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.